In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset a Windows 10 PC or laptop without a password. If you forgot your password, this method will help you. Note, if you don't have a Microsoft account, it will delete files on your C drive. But if you want to access Windows even if you forget all password, this video will help you to get inside Windows using CMD commands. At the login screen, hold the bottom right power icon, then press Shift and click Restart. This takes you to the Windows Recovery menu. From here, select Reset My PC. You'll see two options. If you don't have the password or Microsoft account access, select Remove Everything. Next, choose Cloud Download if you want the latest version, or Local Reinstall for a faster reset. Now decide, fully clean the drive or just remove your files. I recommend just remove my files. Confirm your choice, then click Reset. The process will start. Don't turn off your PC while it runs. After it's done, go through the setup, pick your region, agree to terms, and create or log into your account. Now your PC is reset to factory settings, fresh and ready to go.